Today is a special day for the We Dare to Care Foundation. It marks the 10th anniversary of organizing and running the park. The park is James Finney's Parke Libertat, marks a special day for us. We have an average of 70 kids a day, sometimes 50 to 40 kids using the park. We have several organizations that all the organizations in the island use the park one time or the other. And going back in history, in 1999, I came on the island. After a few years, I saw there was a necessity to build a park. We took about 3 years to organize and to get it, the land and the money. We, James and myself, and a small group of volunteers and people helped us to build this park. The concept of the park was from the people for the people. And as I stand here today, after 10 years, I'm very happy that it's still up and running. So I would like to thank everyone. I'd like to thank and hope that we have made a contribution to today's society, of the next generation to come, and that we will have another 100 years of this park.